this point in
you want to go walk to the market
for the month, but
check it out?
we will continue to be pretty
If you want to, that's fine.
Yesterday, 55 degrees was our high again. That was the warmest day we have had in January so far. We're now.
What is this? I've never seen this. You know what this is, Brian?
No, guess.
The hell? Comment below if you know what this is. It looks fucking weird.
What the fuck? Mini mammoth. ¿Has comido estas? Los mini mammoths.
Yeah.
God, bro. Con estas,
I swear they were different names though.
con estas sí me quedo embarazada. Like,
Wasn't these like different names? I swear they were different names. And they had, the logo was different. Way different.
What were they called?
Back and back. I think they were just mammoths. Not mini mammoths.
no es porque están chiquitos.
Oh, but where's the little mammoth at? The little character.
No sé.
¿Con quién?
Nina.
Nina?
Yeah.
¿With Doja Cat?
No, Nina.
Nina, no nada así, no.
Mira. Ahí está.
Esta. Oh, ese ya lo tenía puesta. Next.
¿Dónde vamos? Where are we going?
Go get some wood.
We're gonna go help this man right here with his wood.
This is gonna be a pretty
It's gonna be pretty what?
good workout.
Why is that?
This fucking tree was huge. Big ass logs like this. We're talking about big. Like that big. We're gonna need 2 people. Me and Brian. We'll be opening. We're gonna be fucking carrying that shit. And this little homie right here. Look at the homie right here. Hey, Tala. Go. Canelo, go.
Canelo. There you go. Show him the fit, show him the fit.
Vamos a ponernos
Ay, güey.
unas botas chingonas for this. We don't want nothing to happen, so to our feet, we're gonna put something good right here.
You look official now, bro.
Con esto, about to go get my axe.
Axe?
I'm gonna be cutting some wood. Hey, come on. There you go, boys. You got it now.
Alright.
And then,
Oh, more?
here's the cute ants. There you got it. That's it. That's it for today. Can you see it or not?
No, I can see it. You don't have to put the window down, but bro, those are some big
Zoom
ass.
in there.
How many are you gonna carry by yourself?
Probably a couple.
I'm just gonna record you and watch, right, brother?
No. There's some fat ones, low key. They look heavy as fuck.
Bro, share a prayer with us before we start lifting so we come out of this healthy.
Fuck. God help us out on this. Hopefully we don't break our backs.
I'm starting to have regrets about this situation, but Buddy's backing up his truck currently round right in this area. The amount of wood that we have to take care of is too much to bear. These pieces, for reference, my foot, size 8. This is how big my foot is. And then other of these guys, way much bigger than my foot. These things are heavy. It's the damn rain. They got soaked. Let's wait till I get back.
And we're logging out. It's still a lot more. Look at that shit. It's a lot of fucking shit.
Look at how dirty my shit got.
Well, we'll be back when we get a chainsaw.
Who the fuck is we? He's coming back by himself after this.
We'll be fine. Sure. need a chainsaw now to cut more of that.
Too damn greedy, bro. Low key, I am too.
Not greedy, but that's good wood. That's good wood right there.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's fucking huge ass fucking tree.
And now we gotta put these back down.
It's okay, we have the toys now.
Ah, look how dirty my shit got, bro. Now we're unloading. So, best of luck. Nobody gets hurt. Nobody got hurt with the first part. Here's the second part right here. After this, we're gonna go get a snack.
Pick it up till I put it down.
I'll make it easier for you. I'll try at least.
Keep rolling them.
I'm getting good with this shit. Ah, there you go. That's fine. You didn't see that.
A ver si no se le cae al güey.
How fat is it down there? Is it heavy? Weighing it down?
Watch out behind you.
Chill. You want me to push up this right now? Alright, here we go.
Something. Alright. Let's stack them up a little bit.
Am I sweaty?
So we got the low key. In the camera no se miran tan grandes, but they don't look that big, but low key they're huge. They're not that small.
For comparison, you know, just gonna measure everything.
Look at that compared to his size, look. It almost looks as big as him.
Dilo otra vez.
Or in Mexico.